best car batteries ensure reliable starts, stable electrical performance, and long-lasting power, reducing breakdown risks and enhancing overall driving confidence. My today's video is about top 5 best car batteries for long-lasting power that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AUTO1 6000 car battery. The AUTO1 JS02 portable car jump starter delivers an impressive balance of power, safety, and convenience in a compact design. Small enough to fit neatly in an armrest or storage pocket, it's always ready for emergencies without taking up valuable space. Despite its size, it's remarkably versatile, capable of jump-starting cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, ATVs, and more, offering up to 50 jump starts on a single charge. Safety is a standout feature thanks to the intelligent jumper clamps with 10 layers of protection, preventing common risks like reverse polarity, short circuits, and power surges. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a reliable power bank with dual USB ports, including fast charging for modern devices. The extended 48-month standby time and auto shut-off further enhance reliability. Complete with a protective EVA case and accessories, the JS02 is a dependable, long-lasting tool every vehicle owner should keep on hand. Now our second product is VTOLMAN X7 Jump Starter Battery. The VTOLMAN X7 Jump Starter sets a new standard for all-in-one roadside preparedness with its massive 4258 peak current and high-capacity battery. Designed to handle everything from compact cars to heavy-duty trucks and marine vehicles, it confidently starts all 12V engines up to 10L gas or diesel, even reviving completely dead batteries with its boost function. What truly elevates the X7 is its intelligent digital tire inflator. The large 5.1-inch smart display shows real-time pressure, battery status, and modes, while delivering fast, accurate inflation up to 160 psi. Safety is exceptional, with 10-layer protection and reliable performance in extreme temperatures. The upgraded honeycomb heat dissipation improves durability and long-term safety. Beyond jump starting, it works as a power bank, fast Type-C charger, LED emergency light, and air compressor. With generous accessories, warranty, and lifetime support, the X7 is a powerful, dependable emergency companion. Our third product is OXIDO 8000 car battery. The OXIDO Jump Starter delivers outstanding emergency performance with a massive 8000 peak current, confidently starting all 12V gas and diesel engines up to 70 times on a single charge. Its upgraded cables and 1000+ cycle battery life ensure long-term reliability when it matters most. The dedicated boost function is especially useful for deeply discharged batteries, allowing safe starts even below 9V, backed by 10 layers of advanced protection for peace of mind. Beyond jump starting, this unit doubles as a powerful 20,000 mAh power bank with 60W Type-C fast charging, dual USB ports, and a 160W DC output, ideal for charging laptops and travel electronics. The bright 700-lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes enhances safety during roadside or outdoor emergencies. A smart LCD display and intelligent clamps simplify operation. Complete with durable storage, long warranty, and lifetime support, the OXIDO Jump Starter is a dependable, gift-worthy companion for drivers and adventurers alike. Now number 4, ACDelco Gold 48 AGM Battery. This battery is engineered for durability and consistent high performance, making it a reliable choice for demanding automotive use. Its high-density negative paste significantly boosts energy efficiency while reducing internal wear, directly contributing to longer overall battery life. The enhanced life alloy, featuring advanced silver-calcium technology, improves cycle life and ensures dependable performance even under frequent starts and heavy electrical loads. A calcium lead-positive grid maximizes conductivity and minimizes internal resistance, allowing for faster, more efficient power delivery. Internally, the robust envelope separator with a puncture-resistant backing enhances acid circulation, helping the battery run cooler while preventing internal shorts. This improved thermal management plays a key role in extending service life and maintaining stable output over time. Additionally, the leak-resistant vent cap design adds an extra layer of safety by reducing acid leakage and corrosion. Overall, this battery delivers a well-balanced combination of longevity, safety, and dependable power for everyday and long-term vehicle reliability. And our last choice is Vacasso Car Jump Starter. The Vacasso Z08 Jump Starter is a powerful and dependable emergency tool, delivering an impressive 5,000 A peak current to start dead batteries in seconds. Designed for versatility, it safely supports a wide range of 12V vehicles, from compact cars and motorcycles to trucks, RVs, and tractors, with up to 50 jump starts per charge. Its performance is matched by practicality, making it ideal for everyday drivers and frequent travelers alike. Beyond jump starting, the Z08 doubles as a 59.2 Wh power bank with dual USB outputs and USB-C input, ensuring your essential devices stay charged during emergencies. The built-in 500-lumen LED flashlight with lighting, strobe, and SOS modes adds critical visibility for roadside repairs or outdoor use. With 10 layers of intelligent safety protection, a clear LED display, wide temperature tolerance, and long standby time, the Vacasso Z08 offers reliable power, safety, and peace of mind in one compact package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.